What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSHit254, and we back with another one. Yes sir, yes sir. Back with another video. To show you what we got. This it's kind of like an unboxing, but you can see what it is when you immediately see the box. So I did a thing. I stepped out my comfort zone. I picked up a product that I've never had any experience with before or ever used before. Matter of fact, I don't think I even touched one of these before, but at the advice of some good friends of mine, shout out to Craig, I stepped into the unknown and I purchased an Alpine. So this right here is the ILXW670. It is a 7-inch audio video receiver, double DIN. This thing here is going to go in Dolores. This came from our friends over at Amazon. Shout out to Amazon. Next day shipping and all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Another reason I like opening my packages on the video, because if something is not right, then at that point I have documented evidence. Alright, so in the box there is the manual, as you can see. Then you got a bag with, looks like all your connections. This can have a backup camera attached to it. Let's see what else we got here. I'll look deeper into it. You got your microphone, so you can talk through it. Has your GPS antenna. Okay. And then this is the USB-A extension cable, so that you can connect your phone for the Apple CarPlay from behind the deck. And then we have some screws here to hold it mount it to the, yeah, I mean. Alright, so pretty straightforward if you've ever wired up a radio before, which I'm sure some of you have. If you haven't, definitely go check out a YouTube video somewhere out there in the universe, and it'll show you how do you do that now. Alright, so you got all your provided cables. There's gonna need to be to connect the radio. So then you got the radio itself. Now back in the day, I mean, the radio would have took up the whole box, but let me show you exactly how small this thing is, right? So these are the little protective things. Boom. That, my friends, is the whole radio. Look at that. The whole radio. Boom. Crazy, isn't it? You got the connections on the back for your antenna, GPS, microphone, Sirius radio, the camera, all the pre-outs and everything like that. And then you got your main harness, which is for the power harness, which is going to do the radio, and then your USB connects right in there. But yeah, all of that into this very, very nice streamlined setup here. There were like 6.8, there were 7s, but so originally, you know, I'm a Pioneer guy, so I was gonna go with the Pioneer, but like I said, at the advice of Craig, man, I wanted to try Alpine. After doing even additional research, after talking to Craig, it was still, you know, like this right here, they're saying is still the best double DN out there for, you know, 2024. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we went ahead and went with the Alpine. So, now, of course, this goes in conjunction with the other part that we had, that we got from Steve. Shout out to Steve Davis and Steve Chevy Shop. So now we got our double DIN housing, and then our radio. God damn. That is beautiful. That is fucking beautiful. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. That thing gonna look like it came from the factory like that, my boy. You see that? Do you see that? That is... Oh, they should have never gave you mother... But yeah. As you can see, I mean, there's no real modification that needs to be done. You just line up your hose, which I can see the hose line up as they're supposed to. I mean, worst case scenario, if you needed to drill a hole, you can just drill a hole on the side, but it does show where they do line up. Alright, that is perfect. That is perfect. That is flush. That is beautiful. So I'm super duper excited about that. Super duper excited about that. So stay tuned. This is gonna be nice. Only the best for the Lord. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.